In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva with Claude. First, log into your Canva and Claude account. Then in the Claude, go to the left sidebar and click this Customize button. From here, go to Connectors. Click this plus icon. Click Browse Connectors. Here you'll find Canva right away, but if you don't see it, you can go to the search bar and search for Canva. Once you found it, you can click this plus icon. Click Allow. And it will be connected to Canva right away. Now to use Canva with Claude, you just have to go to the new chat option, then type what kind of content that you want to make with Canva. For example, I want to make a presentation. So in the prompt bar, you just have to write something like this. Then click Enter. After that, click Generate Design and click Enter. As you can see, here is the presentation. And then you can click the slide, click Open in Canva, click Open Link, and now you can customize the presentation in Canva. So that's how to use Canva with Claude. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.